Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick bike check video. I picked this up at the flea market last year. It's a Genesis Onyx. It's a 29-inch beach cruiser. A 29-inch wheels. Yeah, they sell them at Walmart. I think they're about $150. New at the store. Overall, it's a pretty nice bike. It's a real big bike. I'm about 5'8", and it's kind of big for me, but I mean I can ride it. Yeah, it's a real good looking bike. Black paint job with white lettering and a white chain. Single speed, coaster brake, fenders. Yeah, it's nice. Gets a lot of attention. Everyone looks at it and says how much they like it. Alright, that's about all for this one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and check out some of my other bike videos. Thanks for watching.